In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Google Wallet and its alternatives for sending money to your family and friends. While Google Wallet no longer supports money transfers, there are efficient and reliable alternatives that you can use, such as Venmo, PayPal, and Cash App. So, let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about what you can still use Google Wallet for. Google Wallet has evolved to provide a streamlined experience focused on digital payments within the Google ecosystem. You can use Google Wallet to tap to pay at a wide range of merchants. It's as easy as holding your phone near the payment terminal to make quick, contactless payments. This feature is particularly helpful when you're looking for a fast and secure way to make everyday purchases without fumbling for cash or a card. Beyond tap to pay, Google Wallet allows you to store and access loyalty cards. This means you can consolidate all those physical cards and keep track of your points or rewards programs digitally right from your device. It makes managing these programs incredibly convenient and eliminates the clutter in your wallet. Additionally, you can also store gift cards and even transit passes. This turns your phone into a versatile tool for various transactions and access needs all in one convenient place. Now, let's explore the alternative apps to send money to your loved ones. One popular choice is Venmo. Venmo is well known for its social-friendly platform, allowing you to send and receive money with ease. It's as simple as linking your bank account or credit card, entering the recipient's information, and specifying the amount you want to send. Venmo even offers the ability to add a note to your transaction, which can be a fun way to personalize your exchanges. Next up, PayPal. Trusted worldwide for secure transactions, PayPal is a reliable option for transferring money. You'll need to set up a PayPal account and link it with your bank account or card. Once that's done, sending money is as straightforward as entering your recipient's email or phone number and the transfer amount. PayPal's long-standing reputation makes it a preferred choice for many users around the globe. Lastly, there's Cash App. Cash App provides a user-friendly interface for personal payments. You can send money using a linked bank account or debit card. It also offers features like Cash Card for direct purchases and Bitcoin trading. Cash App's flexibility and added features make it a strong contender in the world of digital payments. Each of these apps offers unique advantages and may cater to different needs. Whether you prefer Venmo's social aspects, PayPal's global reach, or Cash App's variety of features, you have solid options to choose from when considering alternative ways to send money now that Google Wallet has shifted its focus.